Hello and thanks for watching. Here's our little follow-up video. There's our repair right here. It's a little bit inside the window there, a little bit on that side of the ceiling area, quite a bit on this side of the ceiling area up to there, and you can see that space on the ceiling there. So all of that will get textured. You can see all the plastic, a lot of plastic and paper completely covering the floors. Okay, over here we've got more plastic, another repair. Here's this all sanded down, ready to go. I'm just hungry, so I'm gonna go get a sandwich real quick, come back with a clear head and shoot this texture, clean up and make some videos. So here you go. This is what it looks like, all covered up, ready for texture.